This is every planet that is close to Earth. What is that, the moon? No, that's Mars. I wouldn't even give it a time of day. It wouldn't freak me out at all. Yep. And there's Venus, same thing. Wouldn't faze me. Ooh, that kind of looks like a mirror of Earth. I'd look up. It'd just be kind of weird. Yeah. Uranus is the same thing. So I think there's a ring around it. Oh, yeah, I probably wouldn't want to go outside after this. Yeah, I'd probably stay in. Not a good look. You have tidal waves, I think. Oh, yeah. Saturn. Ooh, scary. I'd stay in. All right, guys. Thanks for watching.